What's up, everybody? It's the Home Ec guy here, and today I have a quick tip for you, and it's about hole saws. If anybody here has used a hole saw, you know you just kind of screw your hole saw that you're going to use onto the chuck, and then the entire time you're using that chuck, it's tightening down harder and harder on that hole saw. Good for drilling holes, bad for later when you want to take them apart. These things seem like they could get welded together sometimes, especially if a little bit of rust gets in there or maybe a little piece of dust or something. They can really get stuck together, and the reason is they're both really hard metal. So the solution to this, get a little piece of copper. This is a little piece of copper out of 14-2 Romex. Slide that around there like so. Let's see if we can get this down here. It's good to have some tools on you for this stuff. Let's see, there we go. So we'll get it down here, and then we will tighten it down around. So now I have a little copper ring here at the bottom. So now when I screw this on and I start using it, instead of a real hard metal and a real hard metal pushing together and practically welding together, we have a soft piece of metal between them. And the soft copper allows for it to be far easier to come apart later on. I've spent a lot of time trying to get these pieces separated before. Now that I learned about this little piece of copper in here, it takes no time at all. So that's your quick tool tip for the day. I hope it helped out. If it's something you've heard of before, let me know. If it's something you've never heard of before, let me know. And stay tuned. I'll have more tips for you. Thanks.